Elena and Nico time.
Okay, so this is Elena and Nico's first time at the subway station. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Yeah. The baby. We're under the roads. Yeah, the roads are upstairs, all the cars. Upstairs. Up there. Above ground. Yeah. There's Auntie Vanessa. We call her Nessa for short.
Yeah!
How about you, Nico? You excited to take the subway? The metro?
Yeah!
Yeah. We can get our tickets. Okay, so we have our tickets to take the subway. Okay, so now we're gonna go down. Looks like we're gonna make it, so we're gonna go. Okay guys, so we're in the subway. In the metro. Hi Lena. It's kinda loud, huh? Nico. Look, it's fast. What do you think?
I like it fast.
You like it fast? What do you think? You want to sit? You're gonna walk? Okay. You wanna go touch it? You want to walk in there?
I want to eat cake in it.
We're going to pick a nice street.
Yes. I want that one. I want that one with fruits.
We're going to get a small one, okay? Hold on. We're going to go in here. Grab one of these. Now look, Nico, we're going to grab one of these. One. We're going to put it on the tray. Like this. Okay guys, look. So we have, let's see, I'm going to tell you. So I don't think you'll like this because you're not a big fan of meat. This is beef, chicken. Yeah, we're going to check more, but does Nessa, does your auntie want anything from here?
Yes.
I really want to try these, but I'm like unsure. Yeah, I know, me too. They have beef patties. But look, I see one with strawberries. Look. That's the one you want? Okay, let's wait for Vanessa to bring the tray so you can grab it. Yeah. Ooh, we got some delicious beef patties. Lena found the one she wants. Okay, so Vanessa's gonna put the tray and you can grab that one. Good job. Woo. Okay, Nico. Look, I see one Oreo. Hold on. We have, look guys, there's more of them. Look. Okay. Oh look, there's some over here too. Look, Nico. Just one, guys. Good job, then, yeah. Okay, Nessa wants one of these too, so Nico's gonna grab it. Okay, Nico, you still have to pick yours. Oh no, coconut in your hair. You already got yours. Look, now we need Nico. Nico, now look. There's croissants with chocolate. Or look over there. Do you want this one, Nico? I think you like this one. Coconut tea. Nico's gonna get this one. You wanna hold your dino for now? Put it there, and I think we're good. No, look, this one looks like a little bird. Okay. Panda, so cute.
Zombie.
Mickey Mouse and friends.
Zombie.
It's wasabi. They're
Mama,
Swiss
this is
roll.
my favorite one.
Alloy pomegranate. It's cute, huh? Okay, look, Nico, do you want to pick one? Yes.
Yeah, this one. Two.
Yep, it's right there. You're gonna get it. Let me see which one you picked. Nico got Dano. You need help me to open it? Okay, Lena got hers. Mickey. Strawberry flavor. Yum. Let me see. Green Mickey. So we're finally able to take out our patties. Good? Mine has some chocolate on it. Alright guys, we're heading home now. Yeah, you guys tired? No? We're there, but we're just looking for an elevator, which seems to be hard with all the stations we go to. Who's coming? Wow.
He's watching.